So let's get started. Shortcuts let you perform multiple actions with just one tap or by saying Siri. Siri, turn on dark mode. Here's how to add, find, run, and delete a shortcut on your iPhone. Open the Shortcuts app, tap Gallery, then tap the Start a Shortcuts banner. Tap on a shortcut you'd like to add, then tap Add Shortcut. Or tap on the plus icon to add a shortcut automatically. To find shortcut added, tap on the shortcuts icon. To run a shortcut, tap on the shortcut, and to stop, tap cancel if available or on the stop icon. If using Siri, say Siri and the name of the shortcut to run, or say cancel to stop. Siri, block off an hour.
Okay, at what time?
Cancel.
Okay, I won't.
To see the progression of a shortcut in action, tap the options icon, then tap the play icon. And to stop the shortcut while running, tap the stop icon, then tap done when finished. To see privacy details about a shortcut added, tap and hold down on the shortcut. Tap details, then on privacy tab, tap done when finished. And to delete a shortcut added, tap and hold down on a shortcut, tap delete, then tap delete shortcut or tap cancel. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, thumbs up if you liked this episode, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified of the next upcoming episode. Peace!